Hi, my name is Julien Hadou and I am medical oncologist at Gustave Roussy Cancer Center in France. I am specialized in endocrine cancers and focusing my research on anaplastic thyroid carcinoma. On behalf of all my co-workers, I want to thank the Thyroid Cancer Survivors Association, the American Thyroid Association, and all the donors for your generous support toward our project called PRIMA-TICHIO, which stands for Profiling Immune Cells in Anaplastic Thyroid Carcinoma. As you may know, anaplastic thyroid carcinoma, ATC, is a very rare and aggressive thyroid cancer which does not respond well to standard chemotherapy. Recently, clinical trials have suggested efficacy of immunotherapy, which is a treatment that stimulates the immunity of the patient to fight cancer. Unfortunately, this promising treatment is not effective in every patient. Researchers here at Gustave Roussy and in other institutions in the US have demonstrated that ATC are infiltrated by immune cells coming from the blood, which will act to promote cancer progression, tumor aggressiveness, and resistance to treatment. This immune cell population in the blood, which are of bad influence, are called tumor-associated macrophage and neutrophils. With the PRIMA-TICHIO project, we want to learn more on the immune cell population that are present in the blood of our ATC patient. To achieve this goal, we will use two innovative high-throughput techniques called spectral flow cytometry and single-cell sequencing. With these two methodologies, we will be able to draw a very detailed ID card of all the different subpopulations of immune cells in the blood of our patient. And because these techniques can analyze a large amount of different parameters at the same time, we make sure that each precious sample from our patient will be analyzed deeply by the most up-to-date methods. At the end, your grant will help to identify the different immune subpopulations and their characteristics that are important to explain the aggressiveness and the resistance to treatment of anaplastic thyroid carcinoma. The PRIMA-TICHIO project will be the first step toward identifying new therapeutic targets and in order to be able to design new effective immunotherapy. So again, I want to thank you for your generous support and I am looking forward to sharing with you our progress and success in the near future. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien.